How to find and copy USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bybit and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then head over to your assets on the bottom right of your screen, and once you are in, you're just gonna need to click on this deposit option and then click on the deposit crypto, as we want our USDT wallet address. So you just need to search for USDT on the top and click on the first one. Now once you are in, as you can see, we have all the network option, or in the Bybit term you can call it chain type. Otherwise click on ERC20. Now once you are in, as you can see, we have the option of wallet address, or we can also scan the QR code on the other device. So simply copy, and now you can share it with your friends or whatever the person is sending you the money on the ERC20 network. So hope this helped. This is how you can get and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit.